Imagine it's just another Monday morning, but instead of heading to the office, you're preparing for work on an orbital station dedicated to harnessing energy from the sun. Your personal robot assistant serves you coffee, and you commute there in mere minutes in your private transport capsule, because teleportation, by now, feels too inconvenient. And in the evening, instead of dropping by a nearby cafe, you take a short flight to a neighboring planet to enjoy calzones made by the best chef in the galaxy. What if I told you this world might not be so far-fetched? Back in 1964, Soviet scientist Nikolai Kardashev developed a scale classifying civilizations based on their technological advancement and control over energy. According to his theory, the more energy a civilization commands, the more technology it can create, and the more advanced technologies open doors to new energy sources. And yet, for all our achievements, SpaceX, smartphones, Amazon, humanity still ranks at a humble Type 0 civilization. We've only achieved around 0.16% of the energy control required for the first level. To reach Type 1, humanity would need to harness all available energy on our planet. Imagine the impact. We could control natural forces like earthquakes, tsunamis, and even gravity, drawing energy from every source around us. The concept of charging devices would become obsolete, as everything around us would constantly power them. Our homes might be heated by rain energy, forest fires could help regreen the earth, and mining the planet's resources would become a thing of the past. Professions like ocean wave electrician or continental plate manager would sound as normal as project manager does today. But Kardashev didn't stop there. A Type 2 civilization would master the energy of the entire solar system. Inspired by sci-fi, physicist Freeman Dyson conceived of the Dyson Sphere, an immense structure encircling a star to capture its energy. Imagine a future where travel between planets is as common as a weekend getaway, and Venusians and Martians are merely people from neighboring planets. Low-cost interplanetary flights would make visits between worlds affordable, though you'd still wait at baggage claim. But what if we could tap into the energy of our entire galaxy? A Type 3 civilization would construct countless Dyson spheres and harness the energy of every star and planet in the Milky Way. Schools could take students on field trips to Dyson Sphere systems, and we might host Galaxy Soccer Championships every 4 years. Life expectancy would be vastly extended, and energy could be stored within people themselves. A simple meal would be less about sustenance and more about enjoyment, giving new meaning to "if you're not hungry, don't eat." Beyond this, sci-fi author Pellegrino added new levels. A Type 4 civilization would control galactic superclusters, where each galaxy would have its own Dyson sphere. Humanity would be kings of all that exists, or nearly. In Type 5, we'd harness the energy of the entire universe. Energy would flow through everything, making gadgets self-sustaining and even allowing civilization to alter the laws of physics. Newton's laws could be changed at will, and the apple on Newton's head would have fallen for nothing. And then comes Type 6, where humanity might reignite dead stars, becoming godlike in control over the cosmos. Is this far-fetched? Perhaps. It's still unclear if humanity will reach even Type 2, and Kardashev's theory may remain sci-fi fodder. But our rapid advancement from primitive beings to tech-savvy humans suggests it's possible. Futurist Ray Kurzweil predicts a technological singularity around 2045, where humanity might fuse with technology, turning Earth into a giant computer that fuels an endless loop of discovery. In such a world, we might soon look back at today's progress as primitive. Let's hope that science and human curiosity continue to unveil possibilities beyond our wildest dreams.